Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute, quick acorns. Now these acorn lids that I collected from outside are very small. I used to do this up north and the acorn lids were much bigger. I'm going to try to repeat what I did and make these even though they're very small. You can leave the lids of the acorns natural color or you can paint them. I'm going to paint some with this white color, some with an aqua color, and some I'm just going to leave natural. Now that I have them all painted the way that I want them to be, I am going to show you two different ways that you can turn these little lids into acorns. And the first is by using a small piece of fabric and a little tiny bit of polyfill. I'm going to roll up this polyfill to go right in my little piece of fabric. And I'm going to be using my glue gun for this project. And with my polyfill in the middle, I'm just going to start gluing the sides of the fabric to the center. So I'm going to start with two sides of the circle and then just slowly glue each side up towards the center. So that polyfill will make a tiny little pocket pillow in there. That will be our acorn, and all the rest of these are just going to be glued towards the top. As I said before, I did use larger acorns for this up north, and so the small pieces of fabric were a little bit bigger. I'm struggling to do this with these tiny little pieces. I know you can get acorn lids on Amazon if you don't have some in nature around your house. I was trying to avoid that and use the natural ones in my yard, but they are very tiny. Just know that you can do this project with acorns that are a little bit bigger, and it makes it a little bit easier and you can see more of the fabric. So once all the sides of that circle are pulled up, you can go ahead and glue the top of the acorn. I'm using a natural acorn lid here that's not painted. Just glue it right on top. And there is your first little acorn with fabric. I absolutely love the way these turn out. I end up doing a couple more of the fabric ones with a couple different colors of fabric. I absolutely love these. They are so much fun. I actually wrote a little poem to go along with these acorns and gave them as gifts one year to some friends. So these are certainly something that you can decorate with or give as a little gift. I did sell these at a flea market as well one year, and everyone absolutely loved them. They're so cute just to put around as little shelf sitters or to put on a tiered tray. They are really cute decoration. These little guys turned out so cute. I absolutely love them. I'm going to show you another thing that you could do if you don't want to go through all the little tiny fabric pieces of folding it up and gluing it. I'm also going to use some pom-poms. I have a whole bunch of pom-poms, a couple different sizes. So I'm just going to pull out some of the ones that I'm going to use. Now that I have all of those, I'm going to just glue them right to the different tops. These turned out really cute as well. If you found some of the acorn lids that were a little bit bigger, I would almost be tempted to make my own tiny little pom-poms with yarn, just so that they're completely handmade. But since these are so small, I'm just going to go ahead and use pre-made pom-poms because I think they're really adorable too. I'm using some bright, fun colors, but you could certainly feel free to use any colors that you would like. And here they are all together. They are so cute. I absolutely love them, and I hope you enjoyed and you'll make a few of your own. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.